In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DocuSign Error Code 0x0 quickly and easily. If you're trying to open, send, or sign a document and suddenly see error code 0x0, don't worry. This is usually caused by a browser, cache, or connection issue, and it's completely fixable. I'll walk you through 5 simple steps that you can follow right now to get DocuSign working again. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software troubleshooting guides. Let's get started. Step 1 is to restart your browser. This may sound simple, but in many cases, DocuSign Error Code 0x0 happens because your browser session has temporarily glitched. Completely close your browser. Don't just close the tab. Exit the browser fully. If you're using Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, make sure all windows are closed. Then reopen the browser and log back into DocuSign. Try accessing your document again and see if the error is gone. A fresh browser session clears temporary memory conflicts and often resolves the issue immediately. If the error is still there, move on to step 2. Clear your cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores cached files and cookies that can sometimes conflict with web applications like DocuSign. To clear them in Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to All Time for a complete reset, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser, reopen it, and log back into DocuSign. This refreshes stored website data and often eliminates error code 0x0. Next, step 3. Try using Incognito mode or a different browser. Open a new Incognito or private window in your browser and sign into DocuSign firmware. Incognito mode disables most extensions and ignores existing cache, which helps you identify whether a browser extension or stored data is causing the problem. If DocuSign works in Incognito mode, the issue is likely related to an extension. You can then disable extensions one by one in your main browser to find the culprit. Alternatively, try switching to another browser entirely, such as moving from Chrome to Edge or Firefox, and test DocuSign again. If you're still experiencing the error, step 4 is to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt secure communication with DocuSign servers, triggering error code 0x0. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network. Try restarting your router by unplugging it for about 30 seconds and plugging it back in. If possible, switch networks temporarily, for example from Wi-Fi to a mobile hotspot, and test DocuSign again. A stable connection is essential for secure document signing. Finally, step 5. Check DocuSign server status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your end at all. DocuSign may be experiencing temporary outages or maintenance. Open your browser and search for DocuSign status page. This page will show you if there are any ongoing service disruptions. If there is an outage, you'll simply need to wait until DocuSign resolves it. These issues are usually fixed quickly by their technical team. So to quickly recap, restart your browser, clear cache and cookies, try Incognito or a different browser, check your internet connection, and verify DocuSign server status. One of these steps will resolve DocuSign error code 0x0 in those cases. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue and get back to signing your documents without stress. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.